everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1964 Chevrolet Impala. Fun car, guys. I actually bought and sold this car back, I think it was 2017. Bought it from a guy out of Tennessee. I believe the car had been in Tennessee its whole life. This guy did this to this car. He took a very original, just clean, original Impala and just kind of played with it, made it his own. This is the original color for the car. It has had one repaint. And then it was original 283 Power Glide car. He upgraded it to an Era Correct 327, little cam, and then put the 350 automatic trans in it. He had put disc brakes and stuff like that on it, but when I sold it to a gentleman, he's now upgraded even more. It's got 4-corner air ride. It has Ride Tech 4-corner air ride suspension. It now has Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got strong arm, tubular front control arms on it. So he's like taking it to another level. Great car, runs and drives excellent, and just a good car. Again, it's had one repaint. There's a couple little touch-up marks on it, but not a whole lot. But now when you look at all this trim and stainless, this stuff's all original. And again, you can pick it a little bit. A little ding there. These are the original bumpers. This car's only got 90-something thousand original miles on it. And like I say, the guy originally restored it. He just took an original car and just loved it and made it his own. Original glass. Again, look at all this stuff. This stuff's original. Dual chrome mirrors. Car has, I think he said, most of the original interior still in it. Upgraded sound system, as you can tell. Original panel car. When you see the pictures, the underneath car is very clean. They added the blue dot taillights. Again, this stuff's original in the back. You can pick at it a little bit, but still very nice. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Car just hits the road great too. I just took it back in on trades, how I ended up back with it. 18 and 20 inch Coys wheels. Again, it's got new Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes. And it's got the 6-piston caliper front brakes on it. So it's got the big front brakes on it, all slotted and drilled rotors all the way around it. Again, this is a Era Correct 327 in it. Nothing crazy, little cam. They've upgraded HEI distributor. You can see the Edelbrock air cleaner and valve covers on it. Holley 4-barrel, aluminum intake. It's got ceramic coated headers on it. Again, power steering. You can see the Armstrong tubular control arms on it. Power 4-wheel disc brakes. Upgraded to a 350 turbohydramatic trans. Aluminum radiator with a shroud. With the old OptiClean water bottle in it, or refill bottle, I should say. And then it's got all Ride Tech 4-corner adjustable air ride system on it. Rear sway bar from Ride Tech. Good looking car, man. And I'm telling you, clean. Good, solid, straight car. Again, there's a couple little blemishes you can kind of pick at as you walk around, but just a good car. see how clean the door seams are. And if I remember right, he said this car's still got all the original interior in it. Factory bench seat. They did put a tilt column in it. But this is supposed to be original carpet, original sill plates. Yeah, 98,141, and that's supposed to be the original mileage to the car. Got the padded dash, upgraded sound system. Even a little cold light in the dash still works. Dual exhaust. Again, it's this factory style rear axle. They have added the rear sway bar. Some leaves stuck in there. There's your air ride system. Again, that's all Ride Tech stuff. Nice and clean here in the trunk. There's your Ride Tech stuff. This is your original sales receipt when the car was bought new. It's pretty cool. That's a little center console, sits on the center hump. I left that in there. I know a lot of people like them. I buy them for all my cars. They're nice if you're a coffee drinker. Again, very clean underneath. When you look at the pictures of the bottom of the car, you'll see it's a good, solid car. Getting a lot of questions. Sometimes, for the veterans of these videos, you're going to hear this a million times, but we own all our cars. I buy them all. I don't do consignment. We're getting a lot of consignment questions right now. We do not do consignment. We buy and sell all our vehicles. You know, I buy stuff that I'd like, that I'd put in my driveway, that I would personally drive. Doesn't mean they're perfect. They're all old cars, but I buy nice stuff I'm not ashamed to have in my building. A-pillar chrome's nice. Car just runs and drives, sweet as can be. Nothing crazy, you know, no big cam or anything like that, just a little upgraded cam. Good sound, exhaust sounds real good on it. Yeah, not much, just really the fuel gauge is in there. No aftermarket gauges. You can see the fit and finish on the car is really nice. Backup lights work. Oh, it automatically went up too. It automatically goes to ride height. All the presets. Controller for it. Radio works. Blower motor works. Again, the fit and finish is nice. Everything opens and closes good. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.